Here is something you have to know about wealth principle. Your income can grow only to the extent you do. Knowing your money blueprint is important. If you have negative money blueprint, try to change it, unless you will never make money or wealth. Have you heard of people who have blown up financially? Have you noticed how some people have a lot of money and then lose it? Or have excellent opportunities start well but then go sour on them? Now you know the real cause. On the outside it looks like bad luck, a downturn in the economy, a lousy partner. Whatever, on the inside, however, it is another matter. That is why, if you came into a big money when you are not ready for it on the inside, your chances are simply do not have the internal capacity to create and hold on to large amounts of money and the increased challenges that go with more money and success. A perfect example is lottery winners. Research has shown again and again that regardless of the size of their winnings, most lottery winners eventually return to their original financial state, the amount they can comfortably handle. On the other hand, the opposite occurs for self-made millionaires. Notice that when self-made millionaires lose their money, they usually have it back within a relatively short time. Why does this phenomenon occur? Because even though some self-made millionaires may lose their money, they never lose the most important ingredient to their success, their millionaire mind. Most people's financial thermostats are set for generating thousands, not millions of dollars. Some people's financial thermostats are set for generating hundreds, not even thousands, and some people's financial thermostats are set for below zero. They are freezing, they don't have a clue as to why. The reality is that most people do not reach their full potential. Most people are not successful. Research shows that 80% of individuals will never be financially free in the way they would like to be, and 80% will never claim to be truly happy. The reason is simple. Most people are unconscious. They are little asleep at the wheel. They work and think on a superficial level of life, based only on what they can see. They live strictly in the visible world. Take this point into account. The roots create the fruits. Imagine a tree. Let us suppose this tree represents the tree of life. On this tree, there are fruits. In life, our fruits are called our results. So we look at the fruits and we don't like them. There aren't enough of them. They are too small or they don't taste good. So what do we tend to do? Most of us put even more attention and focus on the fruits, our results. But what is it that actually creates those particular fruits? It is the seeds and the roots that create those fruits. It is what is under the ground that creates what's above the ground. It is what is invisible that creates what is visible. So what does that mean? It means that if you want to change the fruits, you will first have to change the roots. If you want to change the visible, you must first change the invisible.